Our next topic is risk tolerance. A a perception management takes toward risk is often linked to the entity's appetite for risk. How much risk are they willing to take? Does management welcome risk or want to avoid it? The risk of risk tolerance. So what is risk tolerance? A level of risk an entity is willing to assume in order to achieve a potential desired result. Risk threshold, risk appetites, and acceptable risk are also terms used sy- synonymously with risk tolerance. This was the meaning of risk tolerance. Worries across organization and even internally, different department may have different attitudes towards what is acceptable or unacceptable risk. Understanding the organization and senior management's attitude towards risk is usually the starting point of getting management to take action regarding risk. Here it is ex- executing management and or the board of director determines what is an acceptable level of risk for the organization. Security professionals aim to maintain the level of risk within the management's limit of risk tolerance.
So next we see that often. So risk tolerance is detected by the geographic location. For example, companies in Iceland plan for the risk that nearby volcanoes imposes on their business companies. So that are outside the projected path of lava follow will be a lower risk than those directly in the parts flow. Similarly, the likelihood of power outage affecting the data center in a real threat in all area of the world. In areas where thunderstorms are common, power outages may occur more than once
A
or
month.
a month. So while other areas may only experience one or two power outages annually. Calculating the downtime so that is likely to occur with varying lengths of downtime will help to define a company's risk tolerance. If a company has a low tolerance of the risk of downtime, they are more likely to invest in a generator of a power critical systems. A company with a even lower tolerance for downtime will invest in multiple generators with multiple fuel sources to provide a higher level of assurance that the power will not be failed. It was
Okay.
they have told.
Okay. Like for risk tolerance, one power cut is also a big problem.
Yeah.
They have explained briefly about risk tolerance.